What's up, guys? Jason here at the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. Well, welcome back, guys. It's the 29th of June. We have today and tomorrow, then we're into July. But yeah, I've been gone for like the week. My parents were in town. They came to visit. They rolled in last Saturday. I think it's the last video we shot. But they came in. They stayed until Wednesday. And yeah, we had a blast. We took them down to Rehoboth. We went out to dinner, walked on the boardwalk, had a couple drinks. We saw a wedding that was happening. We saw some live music. My parents helped us out with some microgreens packaging. We went to breakfast at Maggie's restaurant in Dewey. We took my mom to yoga at Cape Henlopen State Park. And then, yeah, we checked out a restaurant down by the Indian River Inlet. Can't remember the name of it, but yeah, we had a blast with my parents. We had a really good time. They had fun, and they made it home safely. So all is well. So all right, guys. So probably gonna break this video up. I think today we're just gonna start with this morning session. We're gonna start with the brand new pressure washer. The brand new Simpson 3600 with the GX 160 motor. Now, if you guys saw the last videos, this is my second unit because the other one was surging really bad. So yeah, we got a brand new one. This is our first attempt at it. I'm gonna bring up my Aluma trailer with the Kubota. We'll bring it up here and put it in the grass, and we're gonna pressure wash it because I usually clean it once a year. So we'll use a pressure washer and also this Starbright. It's ultimate aluminum cleaner and restorer. So I'll leave a link below for this. This is kind of what I use to keep the aluminum, you know, looking pretty, looking nice and shiny, not oxidized or anything. So, all right, guys. So let's get the tractor and we'll bring up the trailer. Here we go. We're now to the point where we're going to hook up the water line to the pressure washer and get some water to the machine. Make sure it's flowing through the pump before we fire it up. All right, guys, so we turn the water on. Just want to make sure she's coming out. Heard a little bit of air there. Make sure there's water coming out. Hey, Luna's here. Hey, Luna, want a drink? Oh, yeah, look at that. She loves the water. Want some more? Sure, she says. Sure, I'll take it. I'll drink it all day. Good girl. All right, guys, so I think we're ready to go. We have fuel, water. We're good. Luna's here. You guys might be asking why did I pull in front of the house? As you can see, the ground's kind of brown, and why not just wash the trailer on the grass and water the grass same time instead of just letting it in the rocks or the driveway. So All right, Luna, let's give it a try. So let's go ahead and fire it up for the first time. Let's give it some, let's see, fuel. We gotta turn on. Probably give it a little bit of choke. And throttle is, let's go like halfway up. All right, guys, wish me luck. See how we do here. Oh man, does that sound good? Probably need a little bit of throttle. That, all right. That looks way better and sounds way better. So I think we're good to go. All right, guys, initial thoughts. Wow, that thing is awesome. It sounds great. The pressure is amazing. Wow, yeah, huge difference from the broken one I have. So yeah, so next, the thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add, I'm gonna put the suction hose on the machine, and then I'm gonna try to use this cleaner through the machine. I'm gonna see if that'll work. I've never tried it. Why not give it a try? We'll see if it works. So let's get it hooked up. All right, guys, so I got the suction hose, and it looks like it goes on this fitting right here. We just gotta press it on. Okay. All right, guys, I'm just getting my bottle here. And we'll get our hose. Just want to tangle a little bit. Guess we'll just drop it in here. Press it to the seal. And we'll just feed it the whole way in. All right, let's play close attention here and see if we can see. Let me move you guys in here. Let's see if we see the fluid coming through. That's what I'm curious about. So let's turn it on. And we'll see if we get some of the solution going through there. All right, guys, I'm not sure if you saw that, but the solution started coming through. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and start laying it down. All right, guys, so we got the solution on. I'm just gonna let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. The outside's not bad, but definitely the inside. Now, this area right here is where I just used the pressure washer with no solution. And now we put the solution on, we're gonna wait, and then we'll go ahead and rinse it off. And hopefully we won't have to do a lot of pressure washing. Hopefully it's just gonna glide on off with the spray, with the aluminum cleaner. But I'm not really sure. We'll see how it works. Might still have to, pressure wash it pretty good. But that should make it nice and look nice and shiny. Bring back that nice aluminum color. Yeah, guys, the cleaner seems to be working just fine. It's just it's coming right up, which is what we wanted. Okay. All right, guys. That thing is awesome. I had a great time using a new Simpson pressure washer. Yeah, this one seemed to run a lot better than the first one, so very, very happy with it. But yeah, very cool. So yeah, there is the finished product. Man, she is looking good. But I was very impressed with the Starbright product I got. I think it's actually one of the products that Aluma actually recommends to clean their trailers. But yeah, letting it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes. This wasn't, I didn't have to like pressure wash it, you know, every little square inch. It rose everything up and released it, and then the water just pushed out the back. So yeah, she is looking really good. But yeah, I'm really, really happy. So we'll just let her dry for a little bit, and then we'll put her back in her spot. So very good. All right, guys. So that is the Simpson 3600 PSI pressure washer with the Honda GX 160 motor. So she worked phenomenal. You do have to run the soap nozzle to get the soap to come through the suction hose, I realized. It wasn't working with the nozzle I had on, so I put the soap one on, and immediately it just started flowing right to the handle. So yeah, very, very happy. All right, guys, so that's it for this episode. It's pretty much just showing the new Simpson pressure washer we got, and the Starbright, and my Aluma trailer. So it's got it all washed up. I usually do it once a year, but I think we're just gonna cut the episode here, and we'll probably start another one this afternoon. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.